This is a rectangular prism, also known as cuboid. It's a three-dimensional geometric shape with 6 rectangular faces. It has several characteristics. The first one, as mentioned, 6 rectangular faces, and since they are all rectangles, each of the opposite faces are parallel to one another. Now, it also has 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now, we are going to look into the secret in the formula for the volume of any rectangular prism. Let us take for instance, this shape. Now, for this, we simply need to look at the general formula for the volume of any solids. It's just base times height. Yes, as simple as it is, the formula for the volume of any solids is just base times height. Looking into this, the base, considering this, or if you would like to, this base and this base here, they're also considered as rectangles. So we need to look at the formula for the area of the rectangles for this. So given that this is our height, let's say it is height h. The formula for the volume of a rectangular prism will use the formula of our base here. Our base is a rectangle, and the formula for the area of the rectangle is length times width. Yes, it's length times width. Now, considering that it's just base times height, so our base is length times width times your height. Hence, the formula for the volume of our rectangular prism, and the secret in that formula is that the volume is simply length times width times height.